Okay, so today a very quick topic of epithelial tissue types in histology. So just remember the mnemonic. SCC. Now when I say SCC, what does the words alphabet stands for? So I am categorizing the epithelial tissue on the basis of their shape. So the mnemonic for shape categorization becomes SCC. S stands for square, also called as 2D. C stands for cube, 3D. And another C stands for columnar or cylinder, I will say. Okay. So S means this flat epithelium. Now, this is when it is square and flat, then out of square it becomes squamous type of epithelium. Now, if it is a single layer, then it's simple squamous. This shape with single layer, but more than one layer, it becomes stratified. So squamous, if one single layer, simple squamous, and one when it is more than one layer, it is stratified. Now second was SCC. SCC. So the second category is cube. From cube, second category was derived, which is cuboidal epithelium. Shape is like cube. Now, when we have single layer cuboid, it's called as simple cuboidal epithelium. Okay. Now, when we have more than one layer, it's called as stratified. So, the layering part is called as stratified. So, single layer cube shape is called as simple cuboidal. More than one layer is stratified squamous cuboidal epithelium. Now the third category. Third category is another C. What was it? Either columnar, column, cylinder. So looks like this. One very interesting thing about columnar would be hair-like projections. Remember nose, which has this epithelium. So this hair-like projection is actually to keep the organ safe. Like when we inhale the air, impurities get off and only fresh air gets inside. So this hair-like thing helps in filtering the impurities in the air so that we can breathe the nicer part of the air. So this is the single layer, and these hair-like projections are called as villi. Nucleus are somewhat elongated to accommodate for the shape. Notice that the nucleus is at the same level and it is just the single layer, so it is simple columnar. When it becomes multiple layer, then it becomes stratified. But in columnar epithelium, there is another version also called as fake or pseudo version. What's that? So the fake version, where it is a single layer epithelium, but because the level of nucleus is not at the same level, it looks like it's a multi-layer, but actually it's a single layer. I'll show you. So these are the single layer above the basement membrane, but instead of the same level of nucleus like here, nucleus are like this. So it's giving a fake appearance as if the layers are multiple, but actually it's a single layer. Now this type of epithelium, it's columnar because of the shape. It has villi like other columnar epithelium. But this kind of layer where it looks like multiple layer but it's actually single layer because of the level of nuclei, this thing is called as pseudo. Pseudo itself means fake. So this is the third category of columnar epithelium. So first is squamous, and the second one is cuboidal, and the third one is also columnar. So just remember this mnemonic and it will be good.